अरे भाई ये तो यार रुको 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 live your dreams. Sorry.
मैं अपने पब्लिक के लिए This is our co-founder, school principal, everything. Students. Hi. Good to see you. How are you? This is Adam. You know who wanted to be here?
And we will keep support. But COVID pandemic turned everything down. But there is way of hope that we should take care of this. Pandemic, this is the space that we got back in, and it's now more good.
This is your space.
Yes, yeah. This one.
Okay, so you have to show him from your right. Shut up. Listen. There's a story. I think on this is
that small room we started.
and the room climbed. Rickety little iron staircase.
Where was that?
The original. Yes, that side. I swear, it was not very long, but I would shit my pants doing it. I don't know, like, and then we moved twice.
It was 20 to 14 onwards. Then we moved from this
ठीक है ना
That's what Max.
ठीक है
The first classroom is all about graffiti art. The second one over here is rapping and beatboxing. Here it's DJing. And the last classroom is breaking. It is music production. Like last year we inaugurated our first ever studio right on the That's our first ever makeup.
Adam Granite, MC him. This is actually also one of the big reasons why Because Alive and New actually. This fellow forever, right, never walk.
This is like a success story for the school. His journey started off as a teacher, as a rap artist who came here and he said I would like to teach, and then from becoming a teacher he is now a lyricist, rapper, works with Rahman sir.
We've been on a bunch of Rahman cracks, big ones.
But still grounded comes here.
I said some I am, Adam has not come. I mean from Wall of Cup, Leor, Susan, everyone from Facebook. everyone, like literally everyone. You know, of course not here to the other one, but come on, should we show him? Yes. Come on.
These are graffiti So he is another success story for us. He joined us as a student, just like them. He would come and learn here, and his mentor is gone to another room. Enemy is there. He would learn here, and then his mentor chose him that now he is ready to teach. So you know the other part of running this organization is also to empower the local students rather than always inviting artists from outside to come and teach. How could we do a circular economy for them? There is some livelihood and some revenue that goes
Most of our teachers are actually students.
Yes.
Oh, great. Hi, how are you?
And it's his birthday.
What is it? Happy birthday.
And most of the kids who are these students
Very few. This is some Marathi language. So students come and learn. But all these students, some of them do and so we try to, channelize the energies by bringing them here. So they see other kids. We haven't done any marketing here. We don't go and tell about it here.
By the time we're done today, I promise you. That's why we're adding with some our friends in the media as well.
But this is purely like word of mouth. They learn, they go and they talk about it. This are the kids have actually made something.
Oh, wow.
Swati, Vinay.
Swati, Vinay, Harsh.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Amazing. Look at that. That's so cool. Thank you so much. Did you guys make this? Amazing. I love it. Oh, I can't wait to bring it home. I'm going to put it up in my office. I love it. So cool. Thank you so much.
Look at that. How cool is that?
So great. Thank you guys so much. Really.
Well done, boys.
You guys must be learning a lot here, huh? Having fun, I hope? You having fun here? Thank you so much.
And also, what we're trying to do now is all these kids have made these canvases. So we plan to now put this up on a sale so that whoever buys.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, that's the idea. So, like each
Hey, Shanu.
artist is actually signed when they're done.
Can we use one of these for our
All the
artwork?
tags are there. Some
Sure.
Can we?
बताओ तुमने कौन सा
She's
कौन
a
सा बनाया?
our single art.
I know. Hey, थोड़ा देना है. कौन सा दे रहा है?
Oh, you made this one? Oh, wow. I love it. I used to have a radio like this.
ये किसने
You made
बनाया?
this one? Oh, what's
ये
this?
किसने बनाया?
What are those?
Put him in a video. Please.
महाभारत युद्ध है, धर्म विलुप्त है, मंगल शनिवार विरुद्ध है, विमान में ज्ञान से बुद्ध है.
Alright, boys.
Everybody can actually come inside.
Guys, come inside.
So this is our rap class, and we have MC Mawali. He writes conscious rap, part of. So he went to France for the exchange. He is one of the most strict teachers. Like everybody has to come on time, try to, and then also be very disciplined. It's been a year, MC Mawali's and you will see a glimpse of, we have a small performance in the last room where all the elements of hip hop will come together, and you will see like a full packed performance. But if you have any questions for MC Mawali, feel free to ask.
Are you teaching them rap in English, Hindi, or both?
Hindi and Marathi. Yeah. Like I do in Hindi and Marathi.
Yeah.
So that's what I do. And yeah, I have people who are doing it in English or they are from Kannada. mostly inspire kids to do it in their own language.
Yeah. And can all the kids write?
At the beginning, some of them couldn't write, but to learn rap, they have to learn to write. So they figure out their own way to write and understand and by heart.
Well, yeah, Jay-Z never wrote anything down.
But even Kannada, which is Aditya's language,
Yeah.
some of the stuff is in Kannada, which is not a language that's spoken here at all.
Yeah.
It's outstanding. It's outstanding.
And all the beats, where do they come from?
They come from different places. Yeah. Some of them come like 1 hour far from here. Guitar, say, some comes from this area. Some.
So he's asking about the beats.
Acha.
Now of course we make our own as well. We got the studio.
I heard kids.
Yeah. If beats came from Ahmed, we'd be in a whole different business, no?
All right, good. Are we going to hear some?
I know. Shall we
Yeah, I would love to.
play some stuff for Adam?
Actually.
ये है मेरी ड्यूटी कैसे हो आप सभी सुन टाटा टिटी टिकी टाटा टाटा टिटी टिकी टाटा दूर टाटा टिटी टिकी टाटा टिटी टिकी टाटा टिटी टाटा टिकी टाटा टिकी टाटा टिटी टिकी हाँ हम महिला को हजा कहा कि गली तो मचा रहे हैं खड़ी शहर के अमीर भी नाचे हो गए गली के ताबा सारा शहर सुन शाम दोपहर को बराबरों में कहर छुप माइक पे शहर तेरी गली फुका मेरे जो दुश्मन तेरे यार चल रहे तुझे शाकितों के लिए सजा और इसमें रहना चाहता हूँ मैं आता है मजा समझाने जहाँ मुझे न देता आजा मेरे पास दिल तुझे मैं बसा और उससे मुझे तो लगती अलग तेरे लिए कटनों से हो गया गलत हर एक चाल तेरी लगती कमाल मुझे साथ मेरे जीवन में दिखाऊं फलक मेरे पास हुआ मुझे क्यों ना सता तेरे लिए मैंने गलती से की यार देखे पैसा तू पे मुझे प्रेरित जा तेरा नशा है और तेरा समय मुसाफिर दिल को तू दे जा बना फिलहाल दिमाग न कर मेरे काम तू बन जा तेरे से प्यार की वजह आया नशा नो के लिए सजा अब इसमें रहना चाहता हूँ मैं आता है मजा most rap mathematics, I can feel my highest limit in the gates when my heart is limit highest cause you make me walk on where my heart is and I feel that my passion to explore my senses purest you see me on the finger ring the kick of this hardest when I'm soloing up my finger with the magic that's the flawless let me understand it every time I'm getting nervous in the place of influence but we know it's the solid even though this feeling seems so food the emotion of human spiritual yo this is spiritual yo check it out this is spiritual and this is not this man is like so ये वाली दूसरी वाली
आराम से बजा थोड़ा
रैप बॉय एक करूं बेटे पार्ट टाइम नहीं लाता पर जो बोल लेता हाफ टाइम अरे सिलेबल बीट पे है गिने कुछ तो भी देख काम है थोड़ा अब हाफ टाइम और कुछ फुकना पर खास टाइम जब ये मेरे झूले बोले नाच टाइम जब नहीं आई मुझे मेरे रगड़े अब मैं करूं सारे को मुझे फिक्र रास्ता जब रास्ता सही उसमें जो नहीं होगा तो तू किसी का दोस्त हो नहीं हो लेकिन क्या सके मैं भूल नहीं होगा है चिल्लाने से कुछ भूल नहीं होगा स्पीड तो वापस घर पानी में जिगरी दोस्त को जो होगा रे तू धड़कनी में चलू फेर के बंदा जैसे बुलतानी में असफलता के भाग तो सफलता ही है हां बेचारा तुम अच्छी है तो लोग नंबर और ये मेरी है इंटरनेशनल की बात होता हमें यूनिटी नहीं चाहिए किसी चैरिटी करेंगे करते रोज की मेहनत की
Incredible. So keep going. Really very exciting.
So we've introduced, because all these artists, they come here, keeping all their problems and house issues, family issues, personal issues aside. They've been coming here for 1 full year now. So today we want to in fact acknowledge their efforts for coming to the school, and for this we have certificate of completion for them. This has no grades because we don't believe in grades, but it is just an acknowledgement for each one of you all that you all come here. So Adam, we would like to hand over these certificates along with the mentors to all the artists. There are very few of them, 8 to 10. So if you are open to do the honors. Yes,
Great, obviously,
Ashish Solanki. Ashish.
Let's go. अभी काम मिलेगा.
सर्टिफिकेट मिलने से काम मिलेगा. बहुत खुश हो रहा भाई.
Team sir, आप भी आओ please. able to do it initially, but she proved that she wants to follow her passion, and here she is.
Tanya the game changer.
MC Josh.
PDP का brand ambassador.
Mic check.
Let's go.
Chosen one, Sairaj. Aditya Savle.
Let's go.
ताली वाली बजाओ यार क्या
Let's go. Mic check. इसमें आप लगे आगे. Let's go.
Team, who's the oldest here?
Oldest one.
Shiva. कितना साल हो गया अभी?
2016 में उसने ज्वाइन किया.
मेरे साथ ही बड़ा हुआ.
Same ना? And Shiva?
Same.
Same ना? 16.
The last one, please.
अनीश से बड़े से देखा मैंने.
Anish's journey is very overwhelming. He got distracted a lot in life. He's back in action now, clean.
Come on.
Dolly, get me all the certificate ones. Adam, come. We'll take one with everyone. Hey, इनके बगैर तो पिक्चर होगा नहीं भाई. जॉश किधर है?
फ्रेम पूरा वाइड रखना है ना.
आजा भाई. अच्छा सब लोग सर्टिफिकेट दिखाओ. फोटो.
सर्टिफिकेट ऊपर करो तुम लोग अपना. सर्टिफिकेट ऊपर करो ना. ये पार दी. आप बैठ जाओ ना.
यानी अच्छा आना चाहिए.
माइक पीछे आना भाई. बैठो. ए बैठो नीचे तो.
डॉली मैम.
हाँ डॉली
डॉली
किधर?
मैम इधर. डॉली मैम ब्यूटीफुल.
Okay, one big one.
Let's go.
बोलो रे कोई तो मैं. ये पे बोल रहा है.
Dharavi Dream Project. Dharavi Dream Project. Let's go.
डॉली किधर भाई?
Willing storm inside. Disconnected.
क्या हुआ?
We need him, right? Him.
That's for the second.
Sorry.
Just 1 second.
मैम एक मिनट जाना मैम
कैमरे के सामने ये सब चीजें असली वाले काम कर रहा हूँ सब लोग।
He wants to have like a hip hop.
Yeah, like we're having a conversation kind of a video.
So you have the most awkward smile. I love it.
Oh wow.
एक सेकंड मैं बोलते छोड़ आपको फोटो तो वो साइड में ही वहाँ पे उनको वहाँ पे करना
That's why I'm going to tell you why.
That's all I think that brought me by. He's the one who was in the street fight. Still figuring out who's the So,
Okay, where's the picture? Yeah. Adam, you gotta go take a quick one. बेटा मैंने यूनिवर्सिटी का लोग बेटा Thank you. I really wish Sam, man. I wish I was Adam. Cheers.
Okay, university, we're taking a group picture here. So everyone can stand here.
Thank you. Thank you. वो सब लोगों को पता है क्या ये सब?
We need a group picture of you.
What do we say?